Emma, I'm 4th, and I'm going to be using this brown. I already got that at the brush. Base. Okay. If you're just at home, you don't need to do the powder for you. Let's start with Black Beauty. Precious. If you don't like it, that's okay. But you just have to, clean it off. Okay, we're gonna start with black again. It's okay if you mess up, because you can just wipe it. That can work out. Now, thanks for watching. It was just a quick video. Sorry, bye.